Now, let us look at how to adopt a child from the same country, that is India. CARA deals with the adoption of orphaned, abandoned, and surrendered children. In India, if you want to adopt a child, you will have to fulfill some acts. The eligibility and conditions are mentioned in Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, Guardians and Wards Act, Juvenile Justice Act. There are many agencies which unite orphans with adoptive parents. There are even international agencies which do this. CARA has a significant role in this. CARA has provided inter-country and in-country guidelines for adoption. There are 4 stages for this process. Let us look at stage 1. You will have to register with the local RIPA, LAPA or adoption coordinating agency or with the state adoption cell. The stage 2 is there will be a home study conducted and the counseling will be given to the couples. The home study will analyze the financial and health status of the couple. Normal health status is expected without any deadly disease. Will the couple be able to support the child? That will lead to successful adoption. Apart from that, they will have to fulfill an eligibility criteria as per CARA. The agencies will analyze whether the couple will be caring and loving towards the adopted child. The agency will decide based on the home study and counseling done to the couple. Stage 3. After the home study has been accepted or approved, a child will be shown to the parents. The agency will take care to match the needs of the parents, and in case the child is above 6 years, the written and verbal consent of the child is needed. After this stage, once the successful matching has been done, the agency will file a petition in the court for obtaining the necessary orders under the relevant act. This above process may be completed